It's always a great tournament. Last year I think that there were 21 teams. I'm not sure how many teams will be entered this year, but it's a golf course that is going to really it's going to challenge us. There are probably 12 or 13 holes, if I remember right, that have water on the golf course, and it's a course where on many of the holes the girls will not be using a driver off of the tee. It's about placement, and this is going to be a golf course where we're going to have to learn how to be, where we're going to have to continue to be patient with ourselves and make a shot. I think anytime that you play a course more than once, it's going to give you an advantage. So Krista and Mari, we'll do a practice round on Sunday. On Sunday, that'll be the 7th time that those girls will have seen the golf course. And so, on the 8th and 9th time, that's when I'm looking for them to use their knowledge and to continue to play some smart golf. Courtney Rutledge has just been playing. She's been playing some great golf this semester. She's been steady Eddie. She's just real comfortable with her game right now. Nothing seems to faze her, and I'm looking for Courtney to have a real nice tournament. Abby, I don't know if Abby has played this golf course before. In fact, I know that when I went on a recruiting trip, I got to see her play at this golf course when she was a senior in high school in the fall of her senior year. And so I know Abby's seen it, and I'm anxious to see her continue with her good play. Taylor, Mari, and Krista have played this course before. They're the backbones, they're the juniors on this team, and I expect them to step up and play some golf. I mean, sometimes when you feel good about your game and you're in a zone, that continues to play out the following week, and it did last year for us. We went into conference last year feeling pretty good about ourselves, and we had a good conference tournament. The problem with conference last year was it seemed like every team last year had a great conference tournament and ended their season on a good note. We did too, but we just didn't post the numbers that we needed to. I'm anxious to go to the conference tournament this year, and I know the girls are as well.